So we are on the way to the airport, pick up Benito and a group of patients. What they practice is Jiu-Jitsu. People that practice that kind of sports, they have a lot of injuries, stress injuries. And so we're gonna take care of them. We're gonna do MRIs, we're gonna do blood work, hormone panels, the tests and all the studies that we usually do, and then we're gonna design a treatment plan for them.
How are you?
We're gonna mix it up for you. We're gonna use stem cells and exosomes.
Between 2016 and 2023, I did over 300 fights. It was 320 something fights. So I beat up my body. And I knew they're gonna happen, but it's still like, okay, I wanted that title. I wanted that, I need to accomplish that mission. My name is Dennis Mitchell. I'm Brazilian, live in the US. I have been doing Jiu-Jitsu for over 26, 27 years. And I have been beat up my body for a long, long time. And my spine started to give up, my knees. I don't have meniscus anymore in both of my knees. I have 6 surgeries on my knees. So I beat up my body too much and train with everybody. It's hard to move, it's hard to walk half mile. And this is why I'm here to try to improve.
Bienvenidos. Buenos días, ¿te ayudo?
It's okay. Thank you.
Did he tell you like a time frame?
Ay,
gracias.
Let me introduce you to the team. We're gonna go over your cases and what are we gonna use, why, and we're gonna review the MRIs that we did yesterday. And then at 11, we're gonna start with the procedures. We're gonna start with you and then also your knee.
At this time, the cells are going to continue.
So my name is Billy Phillips. Due to injuries, I had to step away from competing in the powerlifting.
My name is Chad Kennedy. I'm specifically coming for a knee injury that I got in Jiu-Jitsu about a year ago.
My name is Felipe Assis. I'm 48 years old. I did have a big injury about a month ago when I was training for a guy that was preparing for ADCC, which is the biggest Jiu-Jitsu competition in the world.
4 weeks, 6.
4 weeks is the average. It depends on the patient. That's why we are going to be in the follow-up. What we recommend anytime of this medication.
Thank you.
We are going to explain why.
Today we are going to apply a special protocol. We are going to apply stem cells and exosomes for Jiu-Jitsu fighters. We know that they are athletes, so they have a lot of damage in the joints. So we are going to help to recover and improve the movement and the function of the joints.
So now, if you want, we can go to the lab.
She's the one that is gonna get the cells ready for you guys. We're gonna give IVs for everybody and also exosomes, nebulized exosomes. This is the lab, this is where we process all the cells, and that part is quality control.
Now we are going to have a tour inside our lab with our patients so you can see the process with us. You have to watch for the sleeves so they don't contaminate with the floor. I'm gonna put this one and then I'm gonna give you the others. Yeah. Okay, the first one. We have here a 98, so that's really great. We really expect that with this, the patients feel the improvement.
We thought we're gonna be, get the cells, inject, go by, get better. Now we kind of know how much you guys work, how much you guys commit with those procedures to improve the people's life.
Right now we are doing the exosome flow therapy by breathing with a nebulizer. He's breathing 15 billions of exosomes.
Like make a payment.
Most of these patients have suffered several times different types of sprains because of the practice of intense sports. So we are injecting mesenchymal stem cells in the joints and ligaments and tendons of these injured parts of the body.
Not only have I seen so much growth happen in the company and the quality of the service, even the way that this procedure went and the way pain was managed and all that, it's night and day, night and day.
There's a lot of time and dedication and oversight that goes into making sure that the quality of the treatment is perfect.
I always want to know what I'm doing to my body. They just kind of keep giving me more information. For me, I think that's really important, that we're going to have a really great result.
This treatment hopefully will allow me to cope with the pain and experience health so that I can keep progressing.
This is one chance to be better, to feel at least less pain.
So we are going to be with you in your recovery, fighting together.